First up, American presidential debates are not one on policy. Rather, they're one on theatrics. And the last time US presidential candidates met on stage, they traded barbs and personal takedowns in a debate that turned the election upside down. But tonight, the Harris versus Trump debate will provide an opportunity for both the parties for a do-over. Now, the candidates will have no greater opportunity to make a mark after they shake hands in Philadelphia today. But who can get the best of tonight's presidential exchange? Let's find out. Now, Harris and Trump both have their own strengths and weaknesses when it comes to debate. Harris is seen as being better at staying calm under pressure and, of course, as more knowledgeable on policy issues, whereas Trump is seen as more persuasive and more physically intimidating. But the former president might have an edge that can help him win the debate tonight. In fact, this advantage can help Trump win the debate in just under 2 minutes. But what is that Trump card? Well, last week the debate host ABC News held a virtual coin flip to decide the podium placement and the order of closing statements. Trump won the coin toss and decided to speak last during the closing statements. And now, his 2-minute closing statement will be extremely crucial. Closing statements can prove to be game changers for several reasons. First and foremost, they serve as the candidates' final opportunity to summarize their key points and reinforce their main arguments. And after hours of debate, it's that moment when voters are looking for a concise and compelling wrap-up. Candidates often use this time to address any remaining questions and, of course, appeal directly to the undecided voters. And further, they also use this time to humanize themselves, connect emotionally with the audience. But now again, the question is, can a politician like Donald Trump sustain the required momentum through the 90-minute-long war of words? Well, as usual, Trump's temperament will be under scrutiny. Many think that after being in American politics for about 8 years, he is unable to change his approach. For many, Trump's statecraft is seen as a political entertainment. And for now, reports suggest that his advisors have been urging him to tone down the personal attacks, especially the ones with the hints of sexism against Harris. But for the incumbent vice president, the stakes are higher because the American public knows far more about Trump than Harris. And one approach that Harris can actually take to win the debate will be doing all that she can to ensure that Trump loses his temper. But goading him into rude interruptions will be difficult in this debate. Now, the candidates' microphones will be muted when it's not their turn to speak. And until we see what happens on stage, Trump might have an upper hand with the closing statement opportunity. But you should also know that debates are unpredictable. Just ask Joe Biden.